Hi, I'm Adrian, co-founder at Tyviso, the UK's only brand-to-brand recommendation platform. You're probably pretty familiar with brand-to-brand recommendations, but in the physical world instead of online. For example, most people have received a box like this. Within it sits recommendations in the forms of inserts and other relevant brands you should consider trying. We've taken this concept, digitized it, made it more targeted and infinitely more scalable. Rather than being totally reliant on traditional publishers and the bias created by their own goals, not yours, we help brands to address the balance and recommend each other instead. Better still, there are no monthly, tenancy, or setup fees. Simply pay a commission on any successful sales. By Q2 2022, we expect to be serving in excess of 5 million recommendations a month in the UK. All of our recommendations are served whilst the shopper has their credit card in hand, having just bought from one of Tyviso's brand partners, meaning they're in the mood to shop. We use an algorithm designed by former Yahoo employees to rank recommendations based on the likelihood of the item to be bought. The better the recommendation, the higher it ranks. Beyond this, we're working on releasing in the second half of the year some new and exciting formats which will only make things easier for shoppers to find the product for them. Watch this space on that one. Q2 is all about user growth for us. We have some exciting partnerships already inked in with some major UK retailers who have hundreds of stores on the high street each. With the world back up and running, we're expecting an uptick on purchase of items that you'd take on holiday with you. Those planned and the oops, I forgot to buy that, I probably should kind of things. So fresh threads, cosmetics and bits and bobs like that. Likewise, things like outdoor games, sports and food should also do really well. We've tried to keep things so simple that even Grandma could do it. Firstly, we designed a banner free of charge, which is placed on your checkout confirmation page. Second, you supply us with some ads, including an offer. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be exclusive if you don't want it to be. Our platform is a closed environment and only available to shoppers who have made a purchase from a partner brand. Thirdly, put the banner on your checkout confirmation page. Our record on this is a lofty 16 seconds. If you can beat that, lunch on me. Finally, we press the go button and drive you new customers, all whilst driving brand equity free of charge at the same time. Drop me an email and we'll set you up with a demo behind the scenes.